Good morning. I'm Diane Gerdes, and I am with the Mortgage Advantage. This is the Economy Cupcake. Today's subject is what happens in Europe probably won't stay in Europe. And it's Friday, September 16th, 2011. Across the Atlantic, several European countries joined together by one currency, the euro, are scrambling to prevent a financial meltdown. Wine, cheese, and buffed-out gladiators may not be able to ward off a credit and banking crisis that could suck in the rest of the globe. Greece, Italy, Spain, and Portugal are immersed in financial quicksand, searching for a lifeline. The true tragedy is Greece. Greece is a glutton for currency. After 2 infusions of billions of euros, they still refuse to tighten their belts, and they may be the first to topple. Italy is playing Marco Polo with China, begging for help. France is also wooing the Chinese to back their banks. By the way, China loves French wine. It's a trophy of Chinese success, and their purchases have single-handedly saved the French wine industry. And we're not talking the box variety. Hey, the Chinese are probably the only country that can afford the real stuff. Spain at one time was thought to be one of the most stable countries in the European Union. It is now immersed in their own housing crisis of magnificent proportions. Portugal and Ireland are hanging on by a thread of their failing banks. All of these countries followed our financial models and monetary programs designed by our ultra-smart and smooth soothsayers. Buy derivatives, mortgage homes, spend today, and no worries about tomorrow. Unfortunately, tomorrow is now today. In the USA, when we need a few bucks, to buy bonds, because purchasing U.S. bonds offsets our debt with the promise of future profits, or if we need to give our banks a little spending cash, we go to the presses. Voila! Our dollars appear. It's kind of like that proverbial money tree my kids think I have in the backyard. Whenever they need a few things, I use money and I go buy what they want instead of maybe paying off my credit cards or my other debt. I do this to keep them happy. The countries of the European Union can't create their own money to buy bonds or bail out banks or assist the rich to achieve more wealth like we can here in America. In the meantime, I'm going to pull a few dollars off the money tree. I'm going to buy me a box of boxed wine, and I'm going to sit back and watch this European reality show in all these gorgeous locations that I may never get to visit. Their fate could determine ours. Have a great weekend. Take care.